everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. So I have been gone for a week, a whole week, and let me tell you something. I needed it. I needed it because the world is kind of crazy right now. Besides that, I am back, and the first thing I thought I'd do is, you know, I've been cooped up in the house, not feeling cute. Tay, you're a bum. Am I a bum?
Honestly, I don't remember. I was probably fucked up.
I'm gonna take that as a no. Today, your girl got some eyelashes, and we gonna try the fake eyelash extension. Since I can't go get my eyelashes done, we gonna try all these false eyelashes. I got these from Walmart. It's called Falscara. It's a new way to lash. The way people would fake eyelash extensions before is you would take old eyelashes, which you can do anyway to get the same effect. You can take old eyelashes and you can cut them into sections and then glue them under your eye, under your lash line, not over your lash line. I know it's crazy, bitch, I know, but they basically took that idea and they did it so you don't gotta do it. So it's already cut into sections like that. They give you this glue and this applicator and all of that. So it's supposed to give me the look of having my eyelashes done. I paid $16 for this. So honey, I actually found them cheaper on Amazon. Yeah, so I found them cheaper. I see stuff for $6.99. And also, if you want, you can buy the lash glue that they give you on here by itself, and then just buy like something like the Easy Lashes, whatever. So just go on Amazon and look up Falscara, and you might find them cheaper. That's all I'm saying. That's just all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. But I'm gonna just put the price in the title that I paid for them. But you know, in case you want to do it, but they still look good. Yeah, they look good. But they did sell stuff separately, so it's $16, but they give you this. This is very durable. Like, it's not, this ain't going nowhere. Anyway, so they gave us this. It's by Kiss. Then they give you this. Bond with biotin and seal with vitamin E. The lashes. Yeah, the lashes. So these are my lashes now. A mess. Oh, I got excuse my nose. So I got a bump on my nose because y'all know I just got a new nose ring, and I hit it when I was taking my shirt off, and it like was bleeding a little bit, and then this bump came on here. So if y'all know some remedies on how to get rid of piercing bumps, then tell me. Okay, wait, so do I put it on these lashes, or do I put it on my lashes? Oh duh, this is just giving me the skip, fast forward. Anyway, let's do it. So what we gonna do? What's the outside and what's the inside? They all the same size? Okay. If you want to book me to get your lashes done, I can only do them from 6 feet away because we're social distancing. So I'm going to use my phone as a mirror because I don't have a mirror. Got-o. Oh, this light got me looking cute. I'm scared. Mommy, I'm scared. I don't feel like nothing going on my lashes. Okay, so the bond is on there, I guess. Now we just apply these. I'm gonna use the applicator and see how I like it. Oh, wait. So say I'm just supposed to put it under there. So, oh, I can see it in my camera. Hey, hold on now. Oh my God. Oh, snap. Wait, hold on, wait. I'm excited, wait. It really works. Oh, this is it right here. Honey, it went on so easy too. Yo, they need to pay me. Hey, with this quarantine, I need a brand deal. Pay me. Oh my gosh, y'all, it sticks so well. They didn't have to do this like this. That one messed up a little bit, I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna need all of them because it's hard to get this one on. This corner giving me problems. Stop, wait a minute. Let me go look in the mirror, hold on, cause I can't see, I got my glasses on. So, What do you think? I tried it. I mean, I had to fix some of them because I was looking at it in the mirror and I wasn't really like doing it right. So let me go ahead and seal this real quick. Give me 1 second. I thought it was gonna take me a while, but I also don't have a problem like touching my eye, if that makes sense. So I'm sealing that hole. Honey, we're sealing it. I put that extra one in there. I used all of these. They give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips. I used all of them. And I just put the extra one because my eye's not that big. I put the extra one in the middle for a little bit more oomph. But let me close my eye. That's what it looked like on top. Honest review, one of them just came off. So, here's the problem with them. So, they sit under your eye. I don't know if it's the seal stuff or what, but they're not very secure. Let me see if y'all can see. Okay, so I had to put more bond on there. So they might be pretty secure now. But they say a little goes a long way with that bond. Honey, they lying. So I'm gonna just do the other eye to get a real feel of what's going on. And put a little extra bond on here when I do it because I had to like literally 2 fell off and I had to like run it back. Okay, so this time, instead of bond, we're gonna go bond because the bond before wasn't working and we're trying to make sure that these stay on. So, come on, bond it up. Okay, so this time I put a little extra bond and let's see what happened. I'm back. Okay, so here's my thing. This is how they turned out. Let's get down to the review view. This is what I'm gonna give it. As far as application, easy for the most part. So they tell you on the packaging, they lie. They be like, brush a light coat of bond on your natural lashes, a little goes a long way. For me, a little did not go a long way. A little didn't go anywhere at all, honey. I had to use extra. And I don't know if it's because I got teensy tiny lashes and I don't know, but a little did not go a long way for me, sis. So don't lie to people. Some people may need a little and some people may need a lot. Like, I feel bad because I needed more. Like, do I not have enough lashes? Anyway, another thing I noticed is I don't feel like the bond is very strong. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this side is holding up not bad. This side isn't holding up bad at all. This side, boo, if y'all, I don't know if y'all can see in the camera under my waterline, some of them are coming off and I don't know if that's a fault in my application. So was it worth it? It's not bad. Like, I don't feel like I wasted my money. Like, I probably would use this again. Would I recommend you buy it? Try it out, sis. I ain't gonna lie, like, it's cheap. You can get it at Walmart. Try it, I guess. I don't feel like my lashes look bad, no. But I do feel like one of these is bothering my eye. They don't play when they say keep it away from your waterline because one of them was literally scratching my cornea, bitch. It's not bad. I feel like I'm gonna try to do the like old fashioned, like take your old strip lashes, cut them in pieces and do a regular eyelash glue and see how it turned out. Maybe I'll do that in a video, but so I give this a 7 out of 10. I give it 7 out of 10 because I feel like maybe with more practice and knowing how much bond I need on my eyes, it may not be bad. So I'll just try it again and keep trying. This was considered like the dramatic wispies and the other ones were natural. And honey, this ain't really dramatic. You know, I just feel like lashes, like it's like eyelashes. But that's the type of point. I'm sure they just came up with it and they just trying to figure it out. But yeah, that's it. I'm so sorry I've been so long away. I filmed like 2 videos a day, so expect a video tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. And let's do like, you like how them beauty gurus are. I'm a beauty guru, hold on, wait. Cue the music. Yeah, they look cute for the Lolo, for real. I think I did them wrong. I don't know. I like them. Bye.